Geometric sequence is a sequence where each term is formed by multiplying the previous term by a constant r called the common ratio. It is derived by dividing a term by the previous term. Example: determine if the sequences are geometric or not. For letter A, the sequence 3, 9, 27, 81, and so on is geometric with a common ratio of 3. 9 divide 3 is 3, 27 divide 9 is 3, and 81 divide 27 is also 3. Letter B, the sequence is not geometric but an arithmetic sequence with a common difference of negative 54. 108 minus 162 is negative 54, 54 minus 108 is negative 54, and 0 minus 54 is negative 54. For letter C, the sequence negative 7, 49, negative 343, 3401, and so on is not a geometric sequence since there's no common ratio. 49 divide negative 7 is negative 7, negative 343 divide 49 is also negative 7, however, 3401 divided by negative 343 is not equal to negative 7. Thus, it is not a geometric sequence. In general, the nth term of a geometric sequence is derived through the formula a sub n equals a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1, and r should not be equal to 0, where a sub n is the nth term, a sub 1 is the first term, r the common ratio, and n the number of terms. Let us have some examples. Number 1. Find the first 5 terms of the geometric sequence whose first term is 4 and the common ratio is 5. Since the first term is 4 and the common ratio is 5, by successive multiplication of the first term by the common ratio, we get 4 the first term, then 20, 4 times 5 is 20, followed by 100, 20 times 5 is 100, next is 500, 100 times 5 is 500, and finally, the fifth term is 2500. 500 times 5 is 2500. So the first 5 terms of the geometric sequence whose first term is 4 and r is 5 are 4, 20, 100, 500, and 2500. Number 2. Determine the 10th term of the geometric sequence 6, 12, 24, and so on. Since we are looking for a particular term of a geometric sequence, we're gonna use the formula a sub n equals a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1, where r is equal to 2, 12 divided 6 is 2, and 24 divided 12 is also 2. The first term is 6, and the value of n is 10, since we're looking for the 10th term. We first simplify the exponent, so 10 minus 1 is 9. Then, 2 raised to 9 is equal to 512, and 6 times 512 is 3072, which is now the 10th term of the geometric sequence 6, 12, 24, and so on. Problem number 3. The value of an oil painting has doubled during each of the past 6 years. If it was valued at 4,000 pesos during the first year, what was its value during the 6th year? This is a geometric sequence problem since the value of an oil painting has doubled for the past 6 years. There's a common ratio of 2. Our keyword is doubled. The first term is 4,000, the value during the first year, and the number of terms is 6, since we're looking for the value during the 6th year. Substitute these values into the formula. We have 4,000 times 2 raised to 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5, then 2 raised to 5 is 32. So 4,000 times 32 is 128,000. Therefore, the value of an oil painting during the 6th year was 128,000 pesos.